Alrighty, third graders. Today we're going to talk about suffixes. We've done suffixes the whole year, so I hope you guys have a pretty good idea of what they are. Suffixes go at the end of a word, and they change the meaning of a word. So you have the word, it's already there, and then you add the suffix onto it, and it changes the whole meaning of the word. The two we're going to talk about today is the suffix est, est, and er. The suffix est means most. So if you are the tallest person, you are the most tall person, right? The suffix er means more. So you're not the most, but you're more. So if you are taller, you are more tall, right? Okay, let's see if we can add these suffixes onto a couple other words, alrighty? How about smart? So I've got smart. If I add est onto it, I'm going to add my suffix, and actually, let me use a different color marker to do that. We use red. Smart, and we're not going to do er for the moment, so I'm going to take that down, okay? Smart est. If I am the smartest person, what does that word mean? What does that word now mean? It doesn't mean smart anymore. It means most smart. So smartest means you are the most smart person. Let's try another one. Okay, how about small? Oops. There we go. Small. Now let's add my suffix, est. And notice, I'm writing suffixes in red because I really want you guys to remember that's something you add on to a word. It was not part of the original word, which we call the root word. The root word is that part of the word that you're making that cannot be broken down. It can't be broken down. So the word small, you can't break that down into anything different, right? But small est, you can take the est off and small will still be there. So small we know is our root word because I cannot break it down anymore. I'm going to circle that really fast. My root word is small. Actually, I'll underline it. In this one, what would my root word be? Well, can I break down smart any smaller? No. So smart is my root word. Okay. Small est means you are the most small person, right? Or the most small thing. Okay. Last one we're going to do for est is happy. Happy, I'm going to add est. If I'm the happiest person, what does that mean? I am the most happy person, the most happy. And where is my root word in happy? Well, I can take est off of happy est, and then I get happy. Can I take anything off of happy to make it a different word? No. So happy is my root word. Great. All right, now let's look at the suffix er or er. This suffix means more, so let's do those same words, alrighty? We do smart. Okay, that is my root word. I'm going to underline my root word. Smart. I'm adding a suffix onto my root word, er. If er means more, what does this word mean? It means more smart. I am more smart than a dog, right? I'm smarter than a dog. I hope so. Okay, small. Small is my root word because it is what I'm adding something onto. So I'm going to underline small. I'm going to add my suffix, er. Er means more, so what does this word mean? You are more small. Not most small, but more small. Now this last one, I'm going to try and trick you a little bit. If we remember, our last word was happy. Happy. Happy is my root word, right? It's what I'm adding my suffix to, so it is my root word. Add my suffix on there. Does that look right? Do we spell happier H-A-P-P-Y-E-R? No. Happier is one of those words because it ends with a Y, and we are putting ER onto it. We are adding an We have to change that Y to an I and add ER. Okay? It's kind of like how we learned change the Y to an I and add ES, right? But this time it's change the Y to an I and add ER. So happier, we have to drop that Y, change it to an I, then we add our suffix ER. Alrighty, so these are our suffixes, ER and EST. Please go and do that worksheet I have for you. It's really simple, really short. Remember, you are somebody, you were somebody when you came, and you'll be a better somebody when you leave because you learn more every day, and that makes you better every day. All right, guys, I love you. Have a great one.